guys, I'm Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a spinach and artichoke artisan bread. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. For today's recipe, we're going to need flour, yeast, salt, spinach, artichoke hearts, and water. As always, the full recipe is in the description box. Start by combining your flour, salt, and yeast in a large bowl and whisking well to combine. Now add your water, spinach, and artichokes and mix until you form a shaggy dough. Cover and let rise for 12 to 14 hours. I like to bake mine in the morning, so I mix at night and let it rest on the counter. After 12 to 14 hours, uncover and stretch and fold your dough 3 to 4 times. Recover and let rest for 30 minutes. During this time, preheat your oven and your cast iron pot at 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After your dough has rested for 30 minutes and your oven is preheated, remove the hot pot from the oven and generously flour the bottom of the pot. Carefully plop your dough into your hot pot, cover, and bake at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 minutes. After 35 minutes, remove the lid from your pot and bake for another 5 to 15 minutes until your desired crust color has been achieved. Cool on a wire rack and wait until completely cooled before slicing. I hope you enjoy!